express 4 in base of 2. Now, we are going to have 2 power of y. Let me rewrite the equation. Plus 4 power of y is equal to 72. Now, we are going to have 2 power of y plus 2 power of 2 will give you 4 multiplied by this, or raised to the power of y equal to 72. Alright, so there is a law of indices that we are going to apply to transform this to be like this. And that law of indices states that if you have a to the power of b or raised to the power of c, then this is the same thing as a to the power of c or raised to the power of b, because it is the product. So in application of this law of indices in this place, we can transform this to become 2 power of y plus 2 power of y is now raising to the power of 2 according to this, right? This is equal to 72. Now we can let any letter to represent this 2 power of y, right? So we can say let p be equal to 2 power of y. So anyway, now I see 2 power of y, I will replace that with p, and we have 2 power of y and 2 power of y. So you can see this is p plus p squared equal to 72. Now look for 2 possible terms such that if you add, you are going to have this, and if you multiply, you are having this. Remember, this can be transformed as p plus p squared, or this can be expressed like this, as p squared plus p minus 72 equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation, right? So you are looking for 2 factors such a way that if you add, you are going to have this, and if you multiply, you are having this. So we are going to have, let's open up this first as p. Let's open up this as p. Now you see that minus 8 and plus 9 can do this, because minus 8 plus 9, you borrow this. Now when you pay back this, okay, you have minus, you have 1. Okay, so that means we have minus 8p plus 9p. This will be equal to what? P, which gives you this. Alright, so we are going to have this is now becoming minus 8 and plus 9. Remember, all this is equal to 0. Now let's continue it here. Now we are having that p minus 8 is equal to 0. Alright, so we are going to have p equal to 8. Or we also have for p, this is for p1 now, for p2, p plus 9 is equal to 0. That is, p is equal to minus 9. That's for p2. But we are looking for y is a set of real numbers. We don't need this